Hi, this is Chef Bugsy and welcome to Get Veganized. Hi! Today on Get Veganized we're going to make some baked zucchini bites. You can have it as a snack or a meal or even an appetizer. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to trim up my zucchinis. Sometimes they're beat up and bruised, but we're going to take care of this. Okay, after they're trimmed up, we're going to cut them in half. Now I'm going to put them on a baking sheet. Okay, now I'm going to coat them with some olive oil and then season them up. The seasoning today I'm going to use is some salt, pepper, garlic, some chipotle seasoning, oregano, breadcrumbs, and some nutritional yeast. And I want to spread this out just so it's even. And we finish it off with some oregano. Now it'll go into the toaster oven at 425 for 15 minutes. Okay, here we are halfway through the baking process. As you can see, it's getting nice and brown. And this is when I like to put on my vegan Parmesan cheese. And I use Follow Your Heart Parmesan cheese. And here it is. So I just sprinkle a little bit on each piece. And back in the oven we go. Okay, we're back, and here they are out of the oven. I'm going to get them plated up, and I'll show you the final product. And here is the final product. I added some more cheese and some oregano and tomatoes for garnish, and this is going to be my lunch today. Thank you for joining me today on Get Veganized, and we'll see you on the next video. This is Chef Bugsy with Get Veganized, and I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Be sure to click below on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.